Chili bamboo chicken with celery. Our list of ingredients today. I'm going to start out like I normally do. Instead of using oil, I'm going to go ahead and use a little bit of water. Again, I just use this just to stop things from sticking. That's really the only purpose I put it in there. I don't want the meat to stick immediately as I drop it in. We're going to end up seasoning all the meat when we put it in. And we're going to use a good bit of it. We want it coated pretty good. We want all the flavor to be in that meat. And I already got rice we're going to use for a side. It's already in and done. I do that right off the bat because rice takes a while to cook down. So now that this is going a little bit, I'm going to take my sliced chicken tenders, throw them in there. Mix around so they're not stuck together. I don't want one big ball. I'm going to let this sit for a second. There really isn't any other dishes you're going to see on the stove here. Everything's going to be done right in this one wok. If you have a skillet, that'll work too. So I'm just going to keep mixing this up. I want this to change color but not cook through. And I do usually have everything on high to start with, then adjust as I need to. Okay, while that's doing that, I'm going to take some soy sauce, put a little bit in. I said little, obviously. It's a little bit more than a little. We're going to take our dark soy sauce. We're going to put that in. Not a whole lot. Take our salt. Shake some of that on it. And this stuff is going to turn pretty dark. And that's what I'm wanting. It's no longer going to look like chicken when we're done here. Okay, while that's going, that chicken's going to be real close to being done here soon. So while that is going, we're going to go ahead and throw our celery in. I took the celery. I should have showed you. Took the celery, sliced them up into small strips. Not real thin. Most of them aren't real thin. I got a couple in there. But this is probably about the average size of them. And we're going to want that to steam up some. Chili bamboo shoots. Any kind would work. We'll take that and dump it in. Depending on how much I make, depending on how much you use. Sometimes it's a whole jar. Sometimes it isn't. Okay, you may be wondering why I was rolling that around. I'm going to do it again here too. I was rolling around because the sides are real hot. I'm trying to get that water to cook out real quick. And watch it steam up there and thicken up and cook away. I would like to have all that flavor there, so I really don't want to dump it out. And I'm getting real close here. So I'm going to go ahead and take some of the sesame oil, and put it in. Again, a little goes a long way. I'm going to drain some of the chili off of it first. Put some of the bamboo in there. And if you're wondering why I sliced the meat up the way I did, just have it uniformed along with the celery and the bamboo shoots. Take some of this oil, put it in. A little more bamboo shoots. Set that aside. start mixing this up. Every time I smell that chili bamboo shoots, it really makes me think of Chinese cooking. It's got that scent to it that is very distinct type scent. And we are about done. Actually, I'm going to throw in a little bit more bamboo shoots. That fluid is just about gone. And I'm going to throw in another big spoonful of this. Maybe even a little more. I'm getting close to using a whole jar. And really all I'm wanting to do with the bamboo shoots is just warm them up. I'm definitely not trying to cook them at all. So they're not going to be in here very long. And that's pretty much it. That's all my ingredients. That's the whole meal. Let me shut this off. Okay, for putting this, I'm going to use kind of a semi bowl here. Just take out a big scoop of it. Put it on. If a little bit of that fluid's in there, that's great. That's definitely going to add more flavor. Come over here, put a little bit of rice on it. Off to the side. You can always mix this in if you want. Think of the rice being used kind of as noodles or any other kind of starch. A lot of times you got the option, you can't mix it in with your food, with your main dish, or just leave it on the side. And there you have it. We've got one finished meal. And kind of healthy. It's definitely high in sodium. And does have a little bit of oil on it. So give it a try. Let me know what you think. We'll see you on the next one.